Good morning.
This is the fob I got. I don't know if it'll work.
How are you? Okay, I got this out of Amazon. Yeah, it's not gonna work. You see this over here?
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, I went to Nissan and they said, "Oh yeah, we can do it, but take a couple of hours."
And how much? Like 600?
Yeah.
6?
I said, "No, thank you."
Was it 6 that they quoted you?
Hey?
How much did they quote
They
you?
didn't quote me. They just said a couple of hours.
If you buy an aftermarket key and you go to the dealership, they're not gonna program it. They want to sell their stuff.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, they told me too that it might not work, the one that I bought.
Yeah. You can test this thing out. I'll take this for now.
What do I owe you for this?
It's gonna be 180 just for everything.
Pardon?
180 for everything. Here you go. Can you take this with you? Okay, learning is complete. I'm gonna cut this and on to the next one.
Well, that just reads it, eh?
Yeah, it decodes it.
Cool.
Alright.
Perfect.
There you go.
Right on. Thanks a
All
lot,
right.
eh?
No worries.
Appreciate it.
Take care.
You got a couple of cards just in case. I know I've had friends that work there that
Yeah.
drive from Mikeville Trucking, and I've had lots of them.
I actually was gonna order some cards today. I think I ran out of them. I can give you my phone number.
Yeah, I got your phone number.
Sure, I'll send you my phone number as well there.
Sure.
There you go. First job complete. This job is complete. That was about 15 minutes.